Welcome to the WpRentals Team channel. Today we're focusing on one of the most important parts of your rental website, the header and the footer. These sections are essential for guiding visitors, helping them find properties quickly, and encouraging bookings. Hi, I'm Anna. I've been part of the WpRentals team for 10 years, working directly with clients in the rentals industry. In this video, I'll show you how to set up headers and footers that make it easy for visitors to navigate your site, access important information, and take action, whether it's searching for a property, contacting an owner, or booking a rental. You'll see both the default options ready to use out of the box and the powerful custom templates you can build with WpRentals Studio with Elementor free. By the end, you'll know how to create headers and footers that are efficient, look great, and don't require any coding knowledge. A well-designed header and footer guide visitors through your website, reinforce your brand, and encourage action. For rental websites, your header should clearly display your logo, navigation, search if possible, and call to action buttons such as login or call. Footers must provide contact info, social links, secondary navigation, and legal notices if required, all helping improving usability and bookings. Start by creating your menus in WordPress appearance menu. Select the pages you wish to display, add them to the menu, and reorder with drag and drop. You can create separate menus for desktop and mobile if needed, quick and easy. You can also create a separate menu for the footer section. Next, brand your header by uploading your site logo and fab icon. You can add different logos for default, sticky, transparent, and mobile headers, perfect if you need contrasting colors for different backgrounds. Then from team options, header settings, you can choose your layout, adjust the header width, logo position, and menu height. You can enable a top bar above the menu and add widgets such as contact info or social links there. Finally, pick colors and hover styles for the main, sticky, and transparent menus. You can add custom colors for the top bar, background, and color as well. And you can also manage the mobile menu colors and create different designs. Finally, you can configure the submit and login settings. You can choose to show or hide the listing button in header and even hide the entire login and register section if you don't need it. But keep in mind that user must log in and register to send the bookings through the team. However, if your site uses only the contact form instead of the booking form, you can safely hide this section completely. You can also customize the login model image and set up registration fields, including an optional reCAPTCHA for extra security if you wish. For single sites, you can enforce login only for managing user bookings, while multi-owner setups allow users to register as owners and submit their own listing. For clients who want a more advanced or unique design, WpRentals Studio lets you create fully custom header and footer templates with Elementor free. You can start from scratch, create a new template, and then select header from the dropdown. You can also assign the header template to specific page types or categories or even the entire website. You can also exclude them where needed, giving you complete control over your site layout. Next, let's move to Elementor and see how easy it is to create a custom header or footer. You can open the header with Elementor free and you'll see all the dedicated WpRentals widgets for the sections on the left. They are designed specifically for the sections. You can build your layout flagging widgets like logo, login button, the phone button, or a listing button, and you can manage the design using the Elementor options. You can also import a ready-made design from WpRentals Studio and use it as a starting point. Simply select the design you like and then click the insert button, and it will be added to your template. From there, you can edit colors, fonts, spacing, and the order of elements exactly as you wish. Additionally, you can manage the mobile design directly from Elementor free and use Elementor style options to add more creative touches, ensuring your header and footer look perfect on all devices and without coding. Next, let's talk about footer. WpRentals comes with a professional default footer ready to use immediately. First, you can manage the footer menu, which shows in the lower right part. You can go to appearance menus, and from there you can create a footer menu with the specific links you wish to show in that area. It can be used for terms, conditions, or other details. Next, manage the footer widgets in appearance widgets. You can add text, images, or other widgets to the footer for columns. There are 4 possible columns that you can use, and you can add specific widgets to each of them. The demo widgets can be easily modified from this area by simply editing the demo content with yours. You can also remove and add other widgets using WordPress widgets, and you can also choose to show less columns from team options. From team options, you can control more details related to footer. First, you can customize the copyright text. and you can simply add the text you wish to show and save it. You can also adjust the footer layout, full width or box. You can also set the number of columns, and you can add a custom background image to the entire footer. Plus, you can change the footer colors, background and font colors, and all these give you a polished, professional footer without extra setup. For advanced designs, WpRentals Studio lets you create custom footer templates with Elementor free. You can assign these templates to all pages, specific pages, or exclude them from selected pages, giving you full control over your site layout. You can build footers from scratch. You can edit your template with Elementor's builder and then use drag and drop to create sections and drag widgets to your columns as you wish them to show. To save time, you can import a ready-made design from the Honolulu demo and from other demos with just one click. You can simply select the footer template and import the one you like most, and then you can edit the colors, the font, the content. You can also manage spacing and widgets ordered visually or from Elementor free. For new users, the default header and footer give a professional ready-to-use website in minutes. For advanced users, WpRentals Studio allows you to create unique headers and footers and much more for different pages or categories, ensuring brand consistency while giving you a site that is flexible and has a custom design. WpRentals also provides powerful options to create a complete rental booking website, all without writing a single line of code. If you have questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below or reach out to us via chat, and we're here to help.